friends and folks, it's us again, Chari and Mick. Welcome to the Creative Middle Lesson. Hi, say hi. Okay.
I'm driving.
Can you imagine it is now episode 5 of our mindful walks around Milton Keynes Parks? Yay! So today we are going to feature the North Willen Lake. So are you ready? So don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And if there are things that you would want to ask or you would want us to do, please use the comment section below and we will always give you the time to answer or to reply. Today we're also going to learn something new. That's why we're using the car to go to the park. Keep learning, keep living, our motto. So we're going to learn something today and show you how to do it as well. And that's the park we were last Sunday. We were before. And that's the driver. So see you in a bit. So you hire here near the observer, and this is where you pay. So we're waiting for the Quadcycle. We're gonna learn how to use the Quadcycle, guys. Ding ding ding. So biking shoes on. Biking shoes on. We're ready. We're ready. Are we ready?
We're ready for anything, we are. Just not to like Gulliver's Land.
And he's half Filipino.
Better half.
So how are we gonna do it, hon?
Well, you can drive if you like.
Oh, I don't know where we're going. I'll just pedal away. So here we are, driving our Quadcycle. Oh. So here we go. Look at our legs, our feet. We had to adjust the seat because my legs were too short. And we're going now. See, our knees are starting to give up, but we'll keep going. My knees, not yours. Whoa, hi.
Wow, that was close up.
So we need 2 people to sit in front of us who will be our viewers.
Need 2 volunteers.
2 volunteers from our viewers. No. So last week we were on the road, on the path, and now we're going on the left side because we're going to the North Willen Lake. So we're going there to the Peace Pagoda. That's a Peace Pagoda there, and that's the mini Stonehenge. The only Stonehenge we have here in MK. It's not actually called the Stonehenge. So that is called the okay, right. Going there.
Okay, keep pedaling.
So there's the lake on the right side.
And the dog.
And there's the man with his dog. There are the dogs on the side. There is a sculpture of remembrance. So you can also go there, but that is too far. And our knees are giving up, so we will just go around the lake.
Look where you just started.
Hello! So we will just follow the lake around. It's so peaceful. And we're going right.
That'd be a good idea.
So peaceful and quiet, and like the main
South
Willen
Lake.
Lake, the South Lake. Here you can really talk your heart out, sing your heart out, write a poem. So there is the goose. Hello, Goo Goo.
Yeah, beautiful too. That's going to be interesting.
No, this is gonna go up. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Oh my. Okay, can we do this, son?
No,
Yeah! My. Pedal more. Oh my, this is hard because we're going up. So we did it. It's there again. There's already houses on the left. Let's see, taking a photo of that's one on the little island. There's an island in the middle of the lake. That's where the wild goats, Dadina? The wild goats and the wild birds are. You're not allowed to go there. I think they are cleaning. Right, now we'll go down again and go up. Oh my. Oh, okay. Ah, goodness me.
another one there as well.
That was hard. Can you do this? Can you do the camera instead of me? Because once I'm holding the camera,
Supposed to be steering
I
as
can't pedal. I'll steer.
well.
Okay, let me do the steering this time.
Sorry, other side.
Huh?
Other side.
We're gonna fall there, hon.
Fall there. Now the driver's having a panic attack. Go up on the grass a bit.
Oh my.
Oh my day.
Oh my. Notice it's on the steering but not pedaling because I can't pedal and steer at the same time. It's hard to pedal and steer. I don't have the brains for it. So Meg is pedaling and I'm steering. Good living.
Seems to be an uneven balance here somewhere.
So where are we going? Left or right?
Steering. You can't even steer while you're steering.
Why is it hard? The car is not hard.
She's complaining.
It's hard to steer. It's easier in a car. No, this one.
Okay.
So we're going down again.
Yes.
And this is really good for walking the North Willen Lake.
And so this is dangerous. You've got to get down here and round the corner without us going in
Oh
the
my
lake.
days, Daddy, look at that. You be careful. You hold the brake on, huh?
This is dangerous. It's got to get us down here without killing us.
Can we go there straight?
Yeah, no, go down on the bridge, all right.
Then?
Yeah,
Yes.
what a
Yay!
drive.
See, I can steer, but I can't pedal.
Yeah. Notice the pedalling. So we go up this little hill. Danger.
Whoa! Whoa,
Ah, yeah, we made it. There you go.
I think
Steering.
yes, I am. You can fish on this side, that side there. There or here, under the bridge. We're going under the bridge. Very peaceful. All your problems will go away, just not the pedaling problem. Pedaling problem will stay. Look, we were there on the other side a while ago. Because the child is there. Should we go here? Yeah, we're home.
One of us is tired.
As a reward for the peddler, you get an ice cream.